Hi guys, my name is Achal. I gave the NEET 2021 exam in which I managed to score 155 marks in physics. So physics is usually considered to be a daunting subject by majority of the NEET aspirants, including me. It becomes quite overwhelming because we generally do not opt for mathematics, and the difficult calculation and application based questions become a big obstacle for all of us. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all a step-by-step approach on how to study and revise physics for NEET. Starting with the resources, I used to prepare for physics firstly by going through my lecture notes, then solving coaching module and a reference book which could either be DC Pandey or HC Verma. The objective questions in HC Verma are a good supplement for your preparation. However, I would be honest with you all, I did not solve each and every question of the reference book, but I made sure to solve the entire coaching module at least 2 to 3 times. I feel it's important to make your study content concise and study relevant to the exam level. Also, it's important to practice a variety of questions and not just similar type of question hundreds and thousands of times. Do not restrict yourself to similar type of questions. Speaking of physics NCERT, which is highly downrated by majority of the aspirants, I feel that if you are completely done with your preparation from lecture notes, reference book and coaching module, please make sure to read NCERT at least once. Physics NCERT teaches you concepts so beautifully. Also, the summary given at the back of the chapter could be a very good source of theoretical questions that are often asked in NEET. The points to ponder section of NCERT is also really great. If you have enough time, make sure to solve the NCERT back exercise questions as well. They are really good. However, if you're not able to solve them, please don't get demotivated. Give the subject some time. Don't just give up very easily. Try to think more about it and make efforts to understand the concept behind a question rather than running behind to fetch the answers as soon as possible. I think it's always great to have your concepts very clear in order to make your physics stronger. Just mugging up the formulas won't fetch you good marks. Next step would be to create revision resources as you learn each topic. But for topics like mechanics, you do not need to write the whole bulk of information that is given in the module on your notes. But however, for content heavy topics like radioactivity or modern physics in general, it is important to memorize some facts and understand the key concepts. My revision source for NEET physics was the formula sheet that I prepared during my preparation. Also, the trap that many of the aspirants fell during this period was that only relying on YouTube videos and not practicing enough. I ended up watching endless YouTube videos and totally relying on them. What I didn't realize till very late that getting good results in physics comes from practicing a lot of questions. Also, try to practice questions in a time-bound fashion. Practice previous year question of NEET, AIMS, JIPMER and JEE Mains. By solving a variety of questions, learn a pattern on how to approach a question. My next step would be to make your mathematical tools very strong. Most of the questions in NEET are generally ratio based, percentage change. Then there are questions that involve taking an area under the curve or finding the slope of the graph, and then some basic calculus. You don't need to get afraid or frightened of this, but you should be familiar with all the basic mathematics that you would encounter in your physics. My next step would be to draw clear FPD and clear diagrams while solving a question. I think by drawing a diagram, you are halfway done through the question. So indicate forces with arrows and draw the Cartesian coordinates if the question requires that. I would also like to tell you all that do not try to attempt all the questions. There are some questions that are deliberately incorporated into the NEET paper in order to waste your time. My next step would be to practice full mocks as frequently as possible. By solving multiple mocks, you would be able to decrease your phobia and increase confidence for that matter. My next step would be to always include your correction in the notes. Any single correction that you get during the lecture or part test or full mock test, please make sure that you have written that down on the notes, and also write if it was a silly mistake or a conceptual mistake. Finally, I would like to tell that doubt solving is very essential. Please do not be afraid or ashamed. If you are not able to understand any concept, please ask the teacher. The embarrassment that you might get from nagging the teacher for a few hours is nothing compared to the joy of getting admission into a medical school. With that being said, I would like to conclude my video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope the tips helped you all. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can also check out my other videos. I have already made videos on biology and chemistry preparation for NEET.